Welcome to All Auto Parts Group channel. Looking for a reliable and cost-effective engine replacement? Discover why choosing used engines from All Auto Parts Group is the smartest decision for your vehicle. Our extensive inventory ensures you find the perfect match for your car, truck, or SUV. Each engine is thoroughly inspected and tested for quality and performance. Plus, our dedicated customer service team is here to assist you every step of the way. Save money and drive with confidence by choosing All Auto Parts Group. At All Auto Parts Group, we offer a comprehensive selection of high-quality used engines for all major makes and models. Our extensive inventory includes engines for Toyota, Ford, Honda, Chevrolet, and more, ensuring you find the perfect fit for your vehicle. Every used engine at All Auto Parts Group undergoes rigorous testing and inspection to ensure it meets our high-quality standards. From compression tests to detailed inspections, we guarantee that each engine is reliable and ready to perform. Choosing a used engine is also a cost-effective solution. Not only does it save you money, but it also provides a reliable alternative to buying new. Many used engines are thoroughly inspected and refurbished to ensure they meet high standards of performance and safety. Our competitive prices allow you to save significantly compared to purchasing a new engine. You can easily compare prices online and find the best deals that suit your budget. This way, you get the best value for your money without compromising on quality. Plus, opting for a used engine is an environmentally friendly choice. By choosing to reuse, you help reduce the carbon footprint associated with manufacturing new engines. This small step can make a big difference in preserving our planet. By reusing engines, we reduce waste and the demand for new manufacturing, contributing to a more sustainable future. Every recycled part means less material in landfills and fewer resources consumed. Together we can drive towards a greener, more sustainable world, one engine at a time. At All Auto Parts Group, we stand by the quality of our products. Each engine undergoes rigorous testing to ensure it meets our high standards. That's why we offer flexible warranty options on all used engines, giving you peace of mind with your purchase. Whether you need a short-term or long-term warranty, we have options tailored to fit your needs. Our expert team is always here to assist you. With years of experience in the automotive industry, our technicians are equipped to handle any questions or concerns you may have. From finding the right engine to ensuring compatibility, we're committed to providing top-notch customer service. Our dedicated customer service representatives are trained to help you navigate through our extensive inventory and find the perfect match for your vehicle. Trust All Auto Parts Group for reliable engines and exceptional support, ensuring your vehicle runs smoothly for years to come. And with fast, reliable nationwide shipping, your used engine will arrive quickly and safely, no matter where you are located. Visit allautopartsplanets.com or call +1 865 505 0345 today. Your trusted partner for automotive solutions. Stay tuned with our channel for more automotive solutions.